friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking carrots on a frying pan. So for this easy recipe, you need carrots, oil for frying. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. And we also need seasonings. So I'll use salt, black pepper, cinnamon, and honey, and you can use any seasonings you like. So now I'm going to peel the carrot and cut them into slices. If you're using baby carrots and they're already peeled, you don't need to peel them. So for regular carrots, I'll peel them. So now I've peeled the carrot, I'm going to cut off the end, and I will cut it into slices, and then we'll repeat it with the remaining carrots. So just cut it into thin rounds. And do the same with the remaining carrots. Peel and slice. So now I'm finished peeling and slicing all the carrots. So now I'll go over to the stove and cook them in a frying pan. Now I'm ready to cook the carrots. So let's turn the heat on high. This is a non-stick frying pan. I'm going to add a little oil. And because the pan is non-stick, you can use as little or as much oil as you'd like. It's just for flavor. And I will add the carrots. And the seasonings I'm going to add at the end. So at this point, we'll just wait until the oil starts sizzling, and I'll keep cooking them in a frying pan, mixing every minute, and just keep an eye on them until they're ready. So now the pan is heated, and you can hear the oil sizzling. So now I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and mix the carrots. So I'll continue cooking them like this and mixing every minute until they soften, and then we'll season them. Now it's been about 5 minutes, so they're still not ready, but they're getting brown. So just keep cooking and mixing until you see that they're softened. And continue cooking. Now the carrots have been cooking for 12 minutes, and I tried one and they're already getting tender, just need a few more minutes. I'm going to reduce heat to medium, and feel free to do it anytime when you feel like they're starting to brown a little too much. So just reduce the heat. And I'll keep cooking and mixing for a few more minutes, and we'll season them and we'll be done. So now they've been cooking for 17 minutes and they're done and tender. So now I'm going to season them. So just sprinkle them with seasonings. Here's salt, pepper, cinnamon, and honey. And now I will mix it. So it's evenly coated with the seasonings. And we'll turn off the heat, and the carrots are ready. Now let me take the carrots from the frying pan onto the plate. Perfect. Look how good they look. Perfectly cooked carrots on a frying pan. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So tender, it pierces easily with a fork. Delicious. These carrots taste amazing. They're so easy to make, healthy, and tasty. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!